in today's video, we have the next direct deposit date shared. We are going to go over the time frame on amended tax returns, as well as where the IRS is currently processing your delayed correspondence. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. And we are going to get started with a reminder from the IRS. If you file for an extension, the IRS is encouraging you to file your taxes before that October deadline. They want you to file as soon as possible, and the IRS free file is still available on their website. Now, in terms of processing 1040 tax returns, paper returns, the IRS is reporting that they are still working on those received original April of 2025 and amended received March of 2025. And as for Form 1041 tax returns, paper returns, that is, they are currently processing those received March of 2025 for original and amended received October of 2024, and that does not include those that require correction or additional review. Now, for letters and notices, they are currently processing your correspondence received March of 2025. So if you did provide additional information to the IRS, they are behind in updating your additional information. And for the 2025 tax filing season numbers as a whole, the IRS has not updated those numbers since May 9, 2025, unfortunately. And as always, you can check the Where's My Refund tool on irs.gov to check the status of your delayed 2025 tax refund. And the tool is updated once a day, and it states here that it's usually updated overnight. You can also check the Where Is My Amended Return tool on irs.gov for the status of your amended tax returns. You can check the status of your amended tax returns 3 weeks after you submit it. And generally, it can take the IRS 8 to 12 weeks to process your amended tax return. For some, it can take as long as 16 weeks. This particular one was received May 1st, 2025 and completed July 7th, 2025. That is around 9 weeks. So this one was completed earlier than that 16-week time frame. This particular one was received April 12th, 2025, completed June 30th, 2025, and this one took a little bit longer, around 11 weeks to be completed, but it still was completed before that 16-week time frame. So make sure you continue to check the Where Is My Amended Return tool on irs.gov for the status of your amended tax returns. And as for the tax refund delay, the IRS states that your refund may be delayed if your tax return needs corrections or additional review. If they need additional information from you, they will send you a notice by mail. You can also check your IRS online notices on irs.gov under your account. The next direct deposit date shared is July 21st, 2025. Make sure to check your IRS online transcript as well as the WMR for your next direct deposit date, and make sure to share with us in the comments. You can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.